everyone, welcome to my channel Runa's Diary, and today I am back with another haul. So today I am going to do Urbanic haul. So this is my first ever purchase from Urbanic and I'll share my experience, so keep watching the video. Okay, the first purchase I am talking about are jeans. So I think you have heard a lot about Urbanic jeans, because in every other haul of Urbanic I saw everybody is buying the jeans. So yes, I have also bought this jeans. So this is straight fit jeans and you can see there is a rip over here. So there is a cut over here and also the other leg and a little bit rip over here as well. So I bought these jeans in size, I think XS. So I generally wear 26 size jeans. So I saw the size chart and I ordered this, but this is a bit tight for me. So I have returned it and I ordered the similar one again in small size. So I really love the fitting, and the problem of this jeans is, I think most of the jeans in Urbanic is they don't open this hole. So basically when it came, there is no hole over here to put the button. So yeah, that's the problem, but I really love the material and you can look in the video that this is how comfortable this is. Just this is bit tight for waist, so I have returned and I have ordered the bigger size. Okay, so next product is another jeans and this is heavily ripped jeans. So you can see over here. So you can see it is like it has distress all over here, and this is also in size, I think this is okay. So this is again size S. So Urbanic, all the product size differs from one to another. So whenever you are ordering any product, you have to check that particular product size chart. So this is the jeans and this is a straight fit, and you can see the distress over all over it, and this material is also very good, but the thing is, like, I am little bit short, so the length is not perfect for me. So I can't even cut the jeans because there is a little bit distress design in the end part. So yeah, but I really like this jeans as well, like love the fitting. So I am thinking of keeping it, but I'll see. And okay, so this jeans costed me around, so the printed price is 2000, but it costed me around, I think, 1100. So the first top is this. So this is one crop top, and the top, I really love the material. So the top is like this, the black crop top, and the material is really very nice, and the fittings, oh my god, this is the best top I bought from Urbanic. And so this, I think the price, the printed price is 390, but it costed around something 350, because yeah, we got coupon. So if you are a new user and you are ordering first time from Urbanic, you will get a lot of coupons. So yeah, this is the another one, and I really love the top. This is like best purchase. The next product is another top, so you can see it. So I want to show you the packaging as well. So every other product came in this Ziploc packet, and I think Shein also had the similar packaging. So, I'll show you the top. So this is a chemi like vest type of top, and you can see it. So I love the fitting of it, and this is tie-dye print. I really love the fitting of it, and this was for, I think, 350 rupees, and I ordered this in size S. I really love the fitting, but I didn't like the material. Like, the material is very thin, and if I just wash once or twice, I think it won't be like, we can't even wear it. So I don't think the price is justified with this top, but I really love this belt. Like, there is something written over the belt, like flirt, peace, love, and all this. So the material I really like, but I really love the style and the fitting. So yeah, and now I will share my experience. Okay, I have got another dress, but that I have to return it because I was not at all comfortable with that. You will see the video before returning. I have filmed it, but currently I don't have that product. I think that was also I ordered in size small, but because I got little bit fat during lockdown and all, so yeah, that was not fitting. So I really love that color as well, but yeah, I was not at all comfortable. This was a bodycon dress and my tummy was getting showed and all, so yeah, that's why I have returned it. Now I am going to talk about the experience. So the experience was quite good. Like I bought first time, and as I told, if you are a first time user, you get lot of coupon and all. So I got 400 rupees coupon, so that was good. But one major disadvantage of this site is you can't exchange. So as I told that this jeans, not this jeans, this one is little bit tight. So generally in Myntra or Ajio, if the fittings is not good or if you want to exchange the color, that is also possible. But here I can't exchange the product. I have to return and again order it. So that's it, very like make it little bit time consuming. And then another point is like it takes lot of time to arrive the product. So there is two category, you can see over the screen. One is first category and one is normal. So if you order the product from first category, then the product will be delivered maybe within 3-4 days, but the other one it will almost take 2 weeks to arrive. So yeah, that's like if you are really someone who is really looking for the product very early, then I think you have to order very much before. So yeah, that is one disadvantages. The next thing is quality of the product. So I really love the quality of this both the jeans, but the top quality I didn't like it, and also the bodycon dress, that was also not that good. I mean the material was very thin. So yeah, I think regarding dresses and tops, the price are a bit high. But yes, if you are someone who really into trends, clothes and fashion, much into in fashion, they can really try Urbanic. I am not into that. I really like comfortable clothes much more than trending clothes. So yeah, but my overall experience is good. And will I ever order again? I think sure I will order if I find good jeans, because the jeans' price are really low. So the other one I got for 1000, I think 200, and another one I got really for 850 rupees. So that was the price is really good. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this mini Urbanic haul. So let me know your reviews in the comment section, and if you liked it, then don't forget the drill, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.